Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya and in today's video I am going to share with you my first ever Flipkart haul. So guys, this is not only my first ever Flipkart haul, this is actually I am shopping from Flipkart for the first time. Yes guys, you heard me right, I have never ever shopped any clothing item from Flipkart before because I have shopped only from Shein, and actually I prefer to shop from any store or any shopping mall, and I don't actually prefer buying clothing item from online because I want to actually like to give a trial of the clothing and then I want to buy it. So normally I didn't shop from any online store when it comes to clothing items especially. And when I have shopped a couple of times from Shein, I just fell in love with Shein and I really shopped a lot from there. But now, as you all guys know, that Shein is completely banned in India, and that's a really very sad point. But no matter guys, I think we should support the decision of our government. So this time I think that I should give the other websites a try. So I choose the Flipkart for the first time. So I have shopped a few items from there. So in this video I am going to share with you all the items which I have shopped from Flipkart, and I am also going to show you the try on of them. So if you are interested to know what I shopped from Flipkart and whether I like them or not, and all the prices and the other details will be in this video. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, the first top which I want to show you is a crop top, and this is in the red color, and red is one of my favorite colors guys. And this crop top looks like this. This has some amazing frills at the front, and this is actually a one shoulder top, as you can see. And this is actually the perfect crop as I like. This is not too short and not too long. This is actually the perfect crop according to my preference, and I really like this one. This looks so gorgeous, and I am in the size XS in this, and this is in the material satin blend. So guys, you can't wear this if it is very hot outside because the material is a little bit thick. So if you wear this in autumn and rainy season, or in winter even when it is actually the fall season, so I think it's a great top for those times, but not in scorching summer. So this is it, and it retails for 1299 rupees, and I got this on a 70% off, and that is in the price 389 rupees. So that's a very good deal. And if I talk about the actual price of the top, I don't think it's worth the money if you buy it on its actual price on 1299. But at the price which I got it at 389, I think that it's a good top, and it will actually be justified if you buy it under 500 rupees. And I really like this one. And I want to show you a thing that at the back, as you can see, the stitch of this sleeve, the stitch of this frill is actually out of the top. I think this stitch should be at the inner side and not at the outside. But I think that's not a very big problem because it will at your back. So I think that's a good buy. And guys, this is from a brand called Gorgeous, and I really love this one, and I really recommend this top to you. And this is also available in many other different colors, and all the colors looks very good on the website, and I picked up the red one. Next top which I want to show you is again a crop top, and that is how it looks. It has a crisscross back. You will not understand here. When you will see the try on, you will get the actual look of it. So here it is. It has a very nice mesh kind of frill at the front and as well as the back. So this is the white and black color top, and this is from a brand called Kiva, and this is in the size large. So this actually fits me from the top and from the bust area, but at the waist area it is slightly loose on me, and as well as the ribbons also are slightly loose on me. So I can easily fix this by just stitching these ribbons at the back for half or 1 inch, and I think that will be really nicely fixed after that. And I can also fix the waist if I want. And this material is cotton blend, and I think you can wear this easily at summers. And guys, this top retails for 799 rupees, and I got this on a discount at 341 rupees, and that's again a good deal. And I think that these two tops are really worth the money because they are under 400 rupees, and I really love these two. And I have to fix this a little bit, and I can fix this on my own by stitching it. So I think that this is a good buy. Next I have two shorts with me, and they are denim shorts. So the first one is this. So here are some Mickey Mouse printed. So these are actually fabric print, and here you can see some distressed design, and here it is written NYHXO. I don't know how it is pronounced. And here at the end you also get a distressed design, and this is also printed with fabric. And here you get a string which you can loose or tighten if you want, and this also has a nice elastic. And you also get 2 pockets here, and the back is completely plain. You don't get any pocket here, and at the bottom you get a very nice cool design. As you can see, I really love this distressed type of design here. And guys, this is from a brand called Wilfredo, and I am in the size 30 in this one. And this is really very comfy, guys. You can easily carry it outside, and you can also wear this at your home if you want. And this is a very nice purchase. I think I really love this one, and this retails for 1699 rupees, and I got this on a very good discount at 299 rupees only. And I think that that really justifies the piece. Again have a denim shorts, and this is in the denim color, the actual blue denim color. And this is again from the brand called Wilfredo, and this retails for 1499 rupees, and I got this on 314 rupees only. and I really like this one also. This again has some fabric print on it and some distressed design, and at the bottom also you are getting a very nice cool distressed design which I really like. And again you are getting a nice elastic. At the back you are getting a plain one, no pockets, but at the front you are getting two pockets as the previous shorts. And I also love this one. Is that at the bottom it is a little bit tighter for me at the thighs, but I think that's completely okay, that's not a big problem. But it nicely fits at the top portion of me at the waist area, but at the thighs it fits a little bit tighter comparing to this one. So I don't think that's a great problem. I am okay with that, and I really like this one also. Have with me two shrugs, and these are long shrugs, and I really love this one. This is a white color shrug with a nice black stripes, and it has horizontal stripes all over, and at the front portion you are getting vertical stripes. And the material is really very nice. It claims that it is lycra blend. I don't know what that material is, but it is really very stretchy, and I really love the material. This is so comfortable, and you can easily wear this in every season, I think, and I really love this one. And you can style these shrugs in many ways. You can wear them with plazos, you can wear them with jeans, and you can style them with many things, and I really love this one. You can wear them as it is, and you can also wear them with a belt. Any kind of belt will work with this. You have to tie it on your waist, and it will give you a very cinched look, and I really love both of the looks. You can see on the try-on video. So this retails for 1399 rupees, and I got this on a very good discount at 314 rupees only, and I really think that this is the best buy from this haul. I really love this one, and I highly recommend that you should get a shrug like this, and this is available in other colors also. And I picked this one up because you can style black and white things with many other jeans or tops, so I picked this one up. And this is from a brand called Buy New Trend, so I really love this one. Next is also a shrug, and this is completely black color with some white stripes on it, and as the previous one, you are getting vertical stripes at the front, and overall it is horizontal stripes. And this is also a long shrug, and I also like this one, but the material is not very good as the previous one. This is something like you can't wear this at scorching heat. You have to wear this at winter or rainy season, or even you can wear this at fall season, but not at summer. But this also claims that this is lycra blend, and this one also is lycra blend, but I don't think that these two materials are same. This is completely different material. It feels different, the texture is different, and this is also stretchable, but this is not as comfortable as this one. But both of them claims that they are lycra blend, so I don't know about that. So this is from a brand called Funde Fashion, and this retails for 1299, and I got this on a discount on 339 rupees. And I think that the price is okay according to this piece, so it is really very affordable. Because if you normally went to any local store or any shopping mall to buy this kind of strugs, they will cost more than 1000 rupees at least. So I think that these two are really very affordable, and I am in the size small in both of these strugs. And you can also style this strug in different ways as the previous one. Guys, if you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload such videos you will get notified. And also comment down below what you think of my videos, and if you have any further suggestion for me. And also share this video with your friends and let them know that what they can get from Flipkart at such affordable price. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye guys.